In this video, we'll uncover how to efficiently debug your first code project using Claude AI, equipping you with practical strategies for error identification and resolution.
Did you know that up to 50% of a programmer's time is spent debugging? That's why mastering this skill is crucial. Today, we'll dive into debugging with Claude AI, making you efficient at identifying and fixing errors, a skill every successful coder needs. Let's start by exploring the common types of programming errors you might encounter. Syntax errors occur when the code doesn't follow the language rules, like missing a semicolon. Runtime errors happen during execution and can crash your program, often due to invalid operations. Logical errors are trickier, as they won't stop your code but lead to incorrect results. Semantic errors involve the misuse of programming concepts, leading to unexpected behavior. Claude AI helps by swiftly identifying these errors, allowing for quicker resolution.
Now, let's focus on using Claude's powerful error detection tool. First, access the tool through Claude's main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, which highlights errors in your code with detailed explanations. This tool provides suggested fixes for common issues, saving you the hassle of searching for solutions. Remember to keep the tool updated for optimal performance, as Claude frequently enhances its capabilities based on user feedback and emerging coding trends. Let's walk through a step-by-step debugging process using Claude AI. Start by identifying the error in your code. Look for red flags or error messages. Use Claude to isolate the issue, narrowing down where the problem occurs. Claude provides insights on possible causes, aiding in understanding the underlying issue. Apply the suggested fixes systematically, ensuring each change is tested for effectiveness. Finally, conduct thorough testing to confirm the solution resolves the error without introducing new ones, ensuring your code runs flawlessly. Error messages are like signposts guiding you to the problem's root. Each message consists of components such as error type, line number, and a description. With Claude, you gain a detailed analysis, breaking down these components for better understanding. Pay attention to error codes, they often link to quick fixes or documentation. The Claude community is a valuable resource, offering shared insights into common error messages. Treat each error as a learning opportunity, building your knowledge for future challenges. Implementing fixes requires a strategic approach. Start by applying Claude's recommended fixes. These are often precise and effective. Conduct testing in a controlled environment to ensure changes don't adversely affect other parts of your project. For complex issues, iterative testing is key. Test, refine, and retest until the problem is resolved. Validate your solution against project requirements to ensure compatibility. Document your findings and solutions for future reference, aiding both personal growth and team collaboration. Claude's community is a treasure trove of support and knowledge. Access forums where users discuss common issues and share solutions. Don't be afraid to share your debugging experiences, others can learn from your journey. Seek advice from seasoned users who may have faced similar challenges. Collaborative problem solving is a hallmark of the programming community, and Claude's platform facilitates this exchange of ideas. Building a network through these interactions not only aids in current projects but also lays the groundwork for future collaborations. Prevention is better than cure, especially in coding. Start by writing clean, readable code. It reduces the likelihood of errors and makes debugging easier. Regular code reviews help catch potential issues early. Adopting coding standards ensures consistency and clarity across projects. Automated testing tools can catch errors before they reach production. Finally, commit to continuous learning and adaptation, staying updated with the latest practices and technologies. By incorporating these habits, you significantly reduce the occurrence of errors, leading to more robust and reliable code.
Claude offers tools not just for debugging, but for continuous improvement. Track error patterns to identify recurring issues. Use Claude's analytics to gain insights into your coding habits and areas needing improvement. Set benchmarks for progress, aiming for fewer errors and faster resolutions. Incorporate feedback loops in your process, using insights from past projects to inform future ones. This approach fosters long-term growth, enhancing your skills and coding efficiency over time. Claude is more than a tool, it's a partner in your development journey.
Today, we've explored essential strategies for debugging your first code project with Claude AI. From understanding errors to implementing fixes and leveraging community insights, these skills are vital for any aspiring programmer. Remember, Claude AI is a powerful ally on this journey. Practice these skills regularly to refine your expertise. Engage with the community for support and collaboration. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or future topics you'd like us to cover. Your feedback helps us create better content tailored to your learning needs.